Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Easy DIY here yet with another video. If you are new, please kindly subscribe. As you are aware, in my previous videos I was able to use my Android 15 to stream videos on Androidauto by using CarStream and Fermata. I was able to download these two apps by using a AAA because Google will not allow any video app to stream via Androidauto. So you can make it happen. And then the two apps widely used are CarStream and Fermata. And in this video, my aim is to show you which of this is actually a better one for streaming videos via Androidauto. And I'm going to be using three major streaming platforms to test this out. You can see here I have CarStream and also Fermata. I'm going to be using CarStream. We're going to go through how it streams with YouTube and Amazon Prime and Netflix. Then the second thing is I'll go to Fermata and do the same thing with these three platforms. We are going to be able to judge which one is actually the best if you are trying to use any of these apps for streaming. So first, let's go through CarStream. Let's go to YouTube first. Now this is YouTube, right? And this is my channel. And I'm gonna play a video on it, right? So this is CarStream, right? But you see that it doesn't go into a full screen mode first when it comes to CarStream, right? So you will be the one to kind of
welcome back to my channel.
Put it in a full screen mode. So I'm just gonna mute it so you can hear me. So I'll put it in a full screen mode and look at what the full screen mode looks like. So there is no lagging. It works well. CarStream works well with YouTube, right? You can see it plays my video. So let's go to the second streaming platform that I want to use. I'm gonna go to bookmark and go to Netflix. So this is my Netflix, right? You can see I already signed in. Easy DIY is right there. I'm gonna click on Easy DIY. So this is Netflix. You can see how it's looking. Now this is what we want to find out. Can we actually play? Let me make sure I mute it so you can hear me. Now, can we actually play video with Netflix without having any error, which by using CarStream? Okay, so let me click on one of these videos and let's play. Now we run into an error and see the error showing. It's showing that it's not available. So there's an error code E100, right? Trying to play video with CarStream on Androidauto. So Netflix will not work. It didn't work right now. So let's go to the third platform, and which is Amazon Prime. Using CarStream, okay? Now let's play video on here and see if that works. I'm just gonna click on any video. Let's play. Now I'm looking for the play button. There is no play button for me to click when it comes to Amazon Prime. So I can play video with CarStream on Amazon Prime. I've been able to show you that CarStream, well, YouTube checks off, Netflix did not work, Amazon Prime did not work. So that's it with CarStream. Now let's go to Fermata and see if that actually stream better. All right, I'm going to Fermata now. Let's see what that brings for us. Click on Fermata. So down here I see YouTube. So I'm going to start off with YouTube as well. First, I'll click on YouTube. Now YouTube shows up. Let me search for my channel, Easy DIY. I'm gonna click on one of my video. And you can see my video is also playing. So this is what I'm gonna say with Fermata. It plays YouTube well too. There's no lagging. Everything is playing well. However, with CarStream, you have to put it in a full screen mode. But with Fermata, it automatically goes into a full screen mode. You see I did not put anything in there. So that's the difference between them. So now let's go to another platform, Netflix. So let's go to Netflix. This is my Netflix account, and I'm using, mind you, I'm still using Fermata Auto now. I click on Netflix, you can see Netflix also plays, right? But let's actually play a video. The preview is working. Let me mute it and let's play video. Now, video did not work too. I have the same error, E100, and this is with Fermata Auto. It won't play video as well with Netflix. Now let's go to Amazon Prime now. Let's see what that looks like. So let me try and play a video. So let's see if I have a play button. You see, Fermata Auto has a play button. CarStream do not have a play button with Netflix. So let's actually see if it's gonna play. Video plays with Fermata Auto. So now I've been able to check that Fermata Auto plays YouTube and plays Amazon Prime, but it doesn't play Netflix. So like I said, the aim of this video is to show you which one is actually a better streaming. So now we can confirm that CarStream works with YouTube but does not allow you to play video with Amazon Prime and Netflix. Fermata Auto allow you to play video on YouTube, Amazon Prime, but it won't allow you to play video on Netflix. So now you get it. I don't know about other streaming platforms, but I just use 3 major platforms that I have a login with, that I have an account with, and these are YouTube, Netflix, and Amazon Prime to test this. So let me know in the comment section which of the video platform that actually works for one of this app. Tell us which app it is. We'd like to hear from you. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Thank you.